There's a perfect storm that is building that could affect the value of your home, your wallet, and your future as a homeowner, and nobody's even warning you. If you're a homeowner or thinking about selling, this video could save you thousands and a lot of hassle. I'm talking about tariffs, not headlines, not politics. I'm talking about real cost coming straight to your home, higher prices, slower sales, and fewer buyers, or buyers who cannot afford anymore any of these high-priced homes. Most people think tariffs only hit the corporation or only affect international trade. But the truth is, they're about to hit you personally, right where it hurts most. Your renovation budget, your insurance premiums, and even your ability to sell your home or yet buy another home when you sell your home. Let's talk about these tariffs, how they are wrecking the housing market from the inside out. Let's talk about the renovation costs that have already skyrocketed, and they're going to skyrocket furthermore as we go deeper and deeper into this tariff situation and possibly into a recession. That dream kitchen update before selling, it's about to cost you a whole lot more. Tariffs on imported material like lumber, steel, and tiles have already pushed renovation costs up by 15 to 30% in some areas. If you're planning to list or renovate your home, your return on investment may be lower than what you could have gotten in the last few years. Think again. Your budget shrinks while your competition outperforms you. New construction is slowing down. As you know, the new construction homes has been slow. They cannot keep up with the pace, and it's about to get slower, and it's about to get even pricier. With higher material costs, especially coming from Canada and Mexico, builders are already pulling back. Fewer new homes, fewer comps, and a tighter market. But don't celebrate yet. This isn't good for sellers. It creates uncertainty and inconsistent demand, especially in mid-tier neighborhoods. And as these new home construction goes up, buyers will pull back. The affordability of the buyers is already low. And with the prices going up on new construction and on resale homes, there will be less buyers. So how is that affecting you as a home seller, not only in your neighborhood, but nationwide? It could be a significant impact and a significant blow to all of us. The next impact to consider is what will happen to the home prices. Will home prices soften or will they keep rising? Buyers are stretched thin already. Tariff-driven inflation means their dollars don't go as far as they used to. Add high mortgage rates to the mix, and we're entering a perfect storm where fewer buyers mean lower offers, or worse, no offers at all. And if that happens, prices could start softening. In the last week, after this high up and down on tariffs, and tariffs as high as 145%, I have personally seen 3 escrows or 3 transactions fall out because the buyers had second thoughts and they said, heck, I don't want to buy in this situation. And this tariff situation is nasty and it is here to stay. And of course, tariffs have gone up and they've been canceled, but the damage has been done. The consumer confidence has been tarred. It has been lowered and people are worried whether the tariffs come back to normal or not. The damage has been done and more damage is to come. Are you one of those sellers where insurance rates have gone up and the property tax have gone up? Home insurance companies are already raising premiums because replacement parts are getting more expensive thanks to our friend tariffs. And if your buyer's inspection turns up repair needs, expect repair quotes to come in way higher than last year. In other words, if you end up fixing something, it's going to cost you a lot more than you would have fixed last year because everything is going up. Not only the tariffs are causing prices to go up, 2x4s, nails, hammers, etc. But guess what else is going up because of the mass deportation and the situation political right now? There is less labor in the construction industry, and that's going to raise the cost of material and the cost of labor, a double whammy for the homeowners. And for the home buyers, if they want to buy your house and let's say they want to remodel or upgrade anything. So it's a tense situation. We'll just see what happens in the next few weeks, in the next couple of years. So what's happening in your market? Of course, real estate is local. Let us know in the comments what's happening in your area or what you think where the market is headed with this impact of tariffs. Point 5. Inflation could stay high and the rates could stay higher as well. Tariffs add fuel to inflation. If the Feds keep rates high to fight it, you're stuck. Fewer qualified buyers and longer time on the market. It's the kind of environment where desperate sellers slash prices. Let's see what the impact of tariffs is on inflation, and the prices are already high as you know, and what they will do to the housing market. Point number 6, foreign investment may pull back. As you know, foreigners have a big impact not only in buying our Dow Jones and Standard & Poor's and other investments and stocks, but they also invest heavily in real estate in towns like Bay Area, Chicago, Miami, Los Angeles, Texas, Dallas. A lot of foreigners have been buying properties, and that may slow down. Many areas rely on foreign buyers to drive prices. Tariffs strain global trade. It has already strained the global trade. Look at the tariffs. Look at the war or the economic war going on between China and US right now, especially on tariffs. And that can drive international money away from US real estate, especially if you're in a high-end market. This could mean fewer bids and more price drops. Let us know what's happening in your neighborhood if you are in the high-end market.
International buyers purchased 54,300 existing homes from April of last year to March of this year. It may sound like a lot, but that's a 36% drop from the year before, according to the National Association of Realtors. This is the lowest level of international investment.
This isn't fear-mongering. It's insight. It's foresight. Tariffs are already in motion, and their impact will spread deeper into housing in the coming months and the coming years. And the impact will be softer, it could be higher, but one thing's for sure, it's going to be up and down. So get ready for a bumpy ride. If you're planning to sell, timing is everything in these conditions. You need to get ahead of these shifts before they hit the headlines and your home's bottom line. If you need a realtor to talk to, I have a national database. Hit me up and I'll refer you to a great agent. Don't wait for the market to tell you what should have done earlier. Subscribe on this channel to get updates every week. I did a video a few weeks ago. You may want to watch it. It's called How Trump's Policy Will Flip the Housing Market.
Uncertainty around the impact of President Trump's tariff policies looms over almost every aspect of our economy, including the housing market.